Germany had powerful weapons, advanced tanks, deadly aircraft. So why did it still lose? Because wars aren't won by weapons alone. They're won by what keeps those weapons moving. This is why Germany couldn't win a long war.
Every army is a machine. Weapons are only the front. Behind them are factories, fuel, food, transport. If any part fails, the whole machine stops.
Germany's industry was strong, but limited. Factories were fewer than its enemies. Production started late, and bombing made it worse. The Allies produced more, faster, and longer. Germany couldn't keep up. Germany's biggest weakness was oil. Tanks need fuel. Planes need fuel. Trucks need fuel. Germany had very little. Most oil came from Romania and synthetic fuel plants. Once those were attacked, everything slowed. Germany fought far from home. Long supply lines, few trucks, damaged railways. Supplies didn't arrive on time, or at all. An army without supply is already defeated. Germany ran out of trained soldiers. Losses piled up. Replacements were rushed. Training was shortened. Meanwhile, enemies had more people and more time. Quality couldn't replace quantity. Germany built advanced weapons, but advanced weapons need fuel, parts, and skilled crews. Without support, even the best weapons are useless.
Long wars reward endurance. More factories, more fuel, more people. Germany had none of these in abundance. Time itself became the enemy.
Germany didn't lose because it lacked weapons. It lost because it lacked endurance. In a long war, resources decide everything. If you want more hidden stories from World War II, subscribe for the next episode. Because history isn't always loud. Sometimes it whispers.